Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on OR logic gate. What is OR gate? Actually, it is two inputs, one output gate. इसमें हम दो इनपुट देते हैं तो उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग किसी लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन के बेस पे हमें आउटपुट मिल जाता है. Now, which mathematical operation is used here? Y equal to A plus B. A और B दो इनपुट्स हैं तो Y हमें A plus B के हिसाब से आउटपुट मिल जाता है. This Y equal to A plus B is Boolean algebra for OR gate. ये OR gate का सिंबल है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, बहुत सारी इनपुट्स देंगे, उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग हमें आउटपुट्स मिलेंगी. इफ वी arrange those outputs corresponding to various inputs in table form or tabular form, we get a table known as truth table. अब इस टेबल में A, B दो इनपुट्स हैं और Y क्या है? आउटपुट, which is being obtained according to Boolean expression Y equal to A plus B. Now, what is this? This circuit is actually equivalent circuit representing OR gate. Here we are using two switches which are arranged in parallel form to each other and connected further to lamp and voltage source. This lamp will represent output Y. Now, how it works? If A is 0, B is 0 means input A and B are in off state. That means these switches are not closed. And both switches are in off position, then no voltage source is connected in this circuit, as a result of which no current will flow and no output will be obtained, and this lamp will not glow. 0, 0 represent off states of input, and Y also output. In output, lamp is not glowing means lamp is in off state. That means Y output is also represented by 0 level. Now next, if I keep this switch A open but close switch B by tapping the key, then this circuit will be completed and voltage source will come into action. Current will be produced which will help in glowing of the bulb. So I will get some output in the form of glow in bulb. So here A is in off state represented by 0 level, B is in on state represented by 1. Then bulb will glow. That means I will get output across this lamp. So Y will be in one stage, on stage. But now in next set of inputs, when A is on state, that means I tap the switch but keep the switch B open, then this circuit will be completed like this and voltage source will be connected, giving rise to current which will help in glowing of the bulb. So again, when A is in 1 level, B is in 0 level, there will be output across the lamp in the form of glow. So Y will be in on level 1 state. Now next set of input will be when both A and B switches are closed by tapping. So both switches will be in on state, as a result of which current will flow, circuit will remain connected. So glow will be there in lamp. So inputs will be represented by level 1, 1 on states, and output will also be represented by level 1 on state. So these are various outputs obtained when we apply different sets of inputs. But in actual practice, this OR gate can be realized by using electronic circuit. अब इस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट में बेसिकली हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? दो डायोड्स यूज कर रहे हैं, एक बैटरी यूज कर रहे हैं, एक रेजिस्टेंस यूज कर रहे हैं, एंड इट इज अरेंज्ड लाइक दिस. Here we are using two ideal diodes. अब ideal PN junction diode कौन से होते हैं? Diode is said to be ideal one if it gives zero resistance when forward biased and gives infinite resistance when reverse biased. जो conduct ही forward biasing में करे और reverse biasing में conduct नहीं करता. When it is conducting in forward biasing, then what is happening? There is no voltage drop across the diode because it is ideal one. अब इसमें ये जो नेगेटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ बैटरी है इसको ग्राउंड कर दिया, सो इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग लेवल 0, एंड पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल ऑफ बैटरी is actually showing plus 5 volt, and it will be represented by level 1. 0 is off state and 1 is on state. Now, what happens when we apply 0, 0 inputs? What is the meaning of this? Both A and B, they are connected to ground, as a result of which these diodes, their forward biasing will not be supported and they will not conduct. So when two diodes will not conduct, there will not any voltage drop across R. Output में Y 0 हो जाएगा because voltage at C is 0 with respect to ground. इसका मतलब दोनों इनपुट अगर ऑफ स्टेट में है तो आउटपुट भी ऑफ स्टेट में ही मिलेगी. Now if I give input 0 and at A and 1 at B, means A को तो ग्राउंड कर दिया, B को प्लस 5 वोल्ट से कनेक्ट कर दिया. Because this A is grounded, so its forward biasing is not supported, this will not conduct. Only B will conduct. This diode D2 will conduct because it is connected to positive 5 volt. Now, when it conducts, then there will be voltage drop of 5 volt across R. And C will be at plus 5 volt with respect to this ground. And output will be there of 5 volt, which will be represented by level 1. Now, in next stage, what happens when this A is connected to plus 5 volt, but B is connected to 0 level, that means grounded, then what happens? This D1 will be forward biased and it will conduct. D2 will not be forward biased, it will not conduct. So there will be again another voltage drop of 5 volt across R, and the C will be at plus 5 volt with respect to ground. So we will get output 5 volt at Y, which will be represented by plus 1 state. So that means it will be in on state. Now next input, if I connect both A and B to plus 5 volt, then both diodes will conduct. Again, there will be voltage drop across R of 5 volt. And C will be at plus 5 volt with respect to this ground. So output will appear across Y in the form of plus 5 volt, resulting in level 1. Because plus 5 volt is representing 1 and 0 volt is representing 0. It is in binary system. Two digits are used, 0 and 1. 0 means off state, 1 means on state. So in OR gate, what is happening? We are getting output Y only when either D1 is forward biased or D2 is forward biased or both are forward biased. But we are not getting any output when both diodes are not forward biased, both are grounded. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.